Another fundamental issue for us is that we want full decolonization now. This process of constitutional reform must embrace not only the monarch of England ceasing to be our head of state and having a Jamaican head of state, but the monarch's court in London ceasing to be our final court of appeal. In fact, the latter issue is of more practical importance because it affects access to justice for the Jamaican people who cannot currently access the court in England because of financial constraints or because, in the case they want to go there to see their cases being heard in the appeal, they may need a visa, which they don't have a right to, and is at the discretion or whim, so to speak, of the consular officers who adjudicate these things in the UK bureaucracy. So that for us is also a fundamental issue. I know that the minister has a particular timing in mind for moving forward, but I must say right here that unless and until we form agreement around these fundamental things, haste will only make waste. Haste will only make waste. Let us take the time to reach a consensus. Let us ensure the public as a whole understands what is going on